On the previous video, we were able to change every single fluid on the Land Cruiser. Today, we are going to tackle something important. Now that everything mechanical is kind of done, we're going to be deep cleaning the entire engine bay with degreaser, soap, steam cleaner, you name it. We're gonna be doing this right, several brushes. So stick along to see the final result. Let's go ahead and clean the engine bay. The goal has been clear with this Land Cruiser, and that is honoring its history and keeping this thing going for another 100 years. So far on the Land Cruiser series, we have given the car a proper wash, detailed the interior, and took care of all the drivetrain fluids. So today, let's give the engine bay a proper wash. I'll show you my process and how I always get awesome results with the engine. First step, unplug your battery just for peace of mind. Believe it or not, this truck has 2 full-size batteries. It's a diesel thing, I've learned. The diesel engine needs much more compression and has no spark plugs, so the 2 batteries give it that extra juice it needs for easier starts and reliability. Something very important, not that it's super important, but I like to do it just for peace of mind. I like putting a little plastic bag on my alternators when I'm washing engine bays. If you have an air intake, I prefer just putting a little bag. It takes me a second. Cover the air intake, and then for some of the electronics, if you see anything that you don't want to get water on, these little like if you go to groceries, you just have these plastic bags. I just put it on top, cover it, just to have a little bit of extra peace of mind. So that's what I'm doing right now. Second step is to rinse down the engine. Now, very important, don't do this with a high PSI pressure washer. This pressure washer is using about 1,000 PSI and throws out around 3.2 gallons per minute, so it's safe. If you don't have one of these, you can always just use a garden hose and you will be perfectly fine. Trust me, that's how I've done it almost my whole entire life. I know I'm going a bit crazy here, but the undercarriage can always get some love as well, and the car is so high up that why not? So I'm gonna be using some engine degreaser. This is diluted, this is Purple Power, it's just basic degreaser. What I'm gonna be doing is just spraying degreaser on the parts that are crusty and really dirty that need a little bit of degreaser. And for the rest, believe it or not, I'm just gonna use water and soap from my foam cannon. The reason I don't go crazy with the degreaser is because this stuff's really strong. So for a car like this that's a classic and you wanna maintain it, you don't wanna be as aggressive. You wanna be as least aggressive as you can, but still getting the best results, which is important. Let's go ahead. Third step, as you heard, apply some degreaser if needed. And honestly, if the engine is already clean, you can just get away with using some soap and agitating all of your surfaces with a detailing brush, microfiber towel, and for the harder spots, I recommend using a steamer. The steam helps big time in loosening any hard gunk or grease.
fourth step, make sure to rinse everything out. And again, if you're using a pressure washer, keep a good distance away so you don't blow out any vacuum hoses or any plastics and stuff like that.
So there's two ways you could do this. You could just spray Meguiar's hyper dressing on your engine bay, close the hood, walk away, and when you open it back up in like an hour, 2 hours, it's gonna be perfect. Since this car's so old, I'm gonna dry it first, just a bit to get like some high water spots off the engine bay. Maybe you guys should do that as well. And then I'll spray a little bit of the plastic dressing. This is what's gonna make it look nice, matte finish, but very black and deep. This stuff's really, really good. I'll link it down in the description. Let me dry the engine bay.
After drying, for your final step, all you want to do is apply the Meguiar's hyper dressing all over your engine bay.
All right, now that we've sprayed hyper dressing, all you could do is literally close this hood. We're gonna let this sit for probably like an hour or two, and then you guys are gonna see the afters probably tomorrow because it's getting dark. It's gonna look brand new.
As the hyper dressing does its thing, this is the perfect time to give the car a quick wash. I thought it would be a quick wash, but then I spent over an hour washing it as best as I could. I'm literally shaking my head as I'm recording this voiceover, but well, I guess that's what makes me, me.
I do want to say something. The AR635 has made such a difference when it comes to rinsing my car. Like, this would have taken probably another 2 to 3 minutes with the 2.0. Having the 3.4, 3.2 gallons per minute has really, really helped me with the Land Cruiser because it's such a big car. So here I'm using drying aid. I'm actually switching it up a little bit. I'm using Amplify from Armor Detail Supply, just trying stuff out, different stuff. This is again drying aid to make sure that as you're drying your car, you're not scratching your paint. And then also a little bit of protection. Might have put it at 325 Fahrenheit, and I think it had to be at 400 Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's still not done. Yeah, we still need like maybe another hour. This has only been an hour. So all of this will dry out and be very, very shiny. So you guys will see that tomorrow. Let me put it at 400.
And well, this is the engine bay and undercarriage deep clean complete. And just like that, the entire engine bay and undercarriage is cleaned. It's pretty good. It still needs a little bit of more love on the engine bay, but we're gonna handle that way further away later on. On the next episode, we are going to be correcting the paint and detailing the whole entire car, making sure that it's protected and good. And then after we do that, we can finally get back to the red Evo 8 and building this beautiful 4G63. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, stay safe, keep grinding, take care. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.